Hello, fourth grade. Welcome to your Wednesday math lesson. We are on lesson 3.5. We are going to multiply with regrouping, and as promised, I'm going to show you my favorite turtle method. So this is basically the same thing as regrouping, only I'm making it cuter. So let me take a look. I didn't look at that problem too hard. Okay. Yeah, we are multiplying 93 times 25. I'm just going to transfer it over here. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, but with turtle method. Okay. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to draw a turtle head around 93 and around the 5. So you want to make sure you are going around the entire top number and just going around the ones place on the second number. Okay, so looks like a turtle head, right? Little smiley face. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do, you are now gonna multiply just 93 times 5, okay? So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, and then I'm going to carry my 1 up here. Okay, 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 more is 46. Okay, now we're done with the 5. So I'm going to give it a necklace, or basically all I'm doing is crossing out that 5. And then our turtle is going to lay it. Okay, now I can just focus on 93 times 2 next. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and then 2 times 9, 18. So this is where a lot of kids tend to mess up, is they don't line up their numbers correctly, or they forget to put their 0, or as I like to say, lay an egg. So the reason you want to do that, it's because if you don't bring down your 0 here is just a placeholder. Okay? So make sure you don't forget to lay an egg, because if you don't, you will get the wrong answer. Okay? So this is how your numbers should be lined up. 5 plus 0 is going to be 5. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget the comma. And there's our answer. 2,325. Okay? So that's all there is to it. So it's regrouping, only I just made it more fun. Okay, so let's go back to our Go Math here. Okay, so that's the problem we just did. Now let's go to our next one. Okay, so there's different ways to multiply. We've been learning all the different ways. You can use different ways and still get the right answer, right? As we know with partial products, box method, and now I've shown you turtle method. Okay, so that's all this part is saying, is that there's different ways. Okay, so let's take a look at share and show here. We have 27 times 60, right? So you may notice that they just put a single 0 here. Now, why would they do that? Well, because 0 times 7 is 0, but 0 times 2 is also going to be 0. So all they did was they just put a 0 here and they moved on to 27 times 6. Okay, so if I were to show you that with turtle method, which of course I've told you in the past what to do with problems like this, I usually just like to scoot my 0 over like this. Now you might think, but we're supposed to line up our numbers. Yes, but I always I was taught this way just because it helped me to remember that my 0, I only needed to be there once, right? And then the rest is just 7 times 6 is 42. 4, 14. Okay? So 1,420. You could just scoot that 0 over, or you could do what this person did. Oops. And just drop a 0 in their first line and then go to the second line. All right, so let's do some more turtle method or regrouping. So we have 68 times 53. Okay, so let's draw our turtle head here around the 68 and the 3. I was trying to put a smiley face there. Okay, so we're just going to do 68 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Carry my 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 more is 20. Okay, now we're going to draw our necklace over the 3 to cross it out, and then lay an egg, and we're going to keep going. So 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, I'm just going to cross out that 2, write a 4 there. Okay, now 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 more is 34. Now it's just adding them together. 3,604. Okay, so now that I've demonstrated this twice, you are free to go ahead and try this on your own, on your math assignment on Go Math. So if you are still a little confused about this and you need some help, or you need me to walk you through it again, please just contact me on Google Meet or message me on It's Learning.